Have you ever wondered why ice makes this crackling sound? Well, when the water is poured onto the ice, the outer layer warms up rapidly. But because the inside remains cold, it causes a sudden mismatch in energy. The warmer outer layer wants to expand, while the cold inside wants to stay the same. This tension causes the ice to fracture, and when this happens to multiple ice cubes simultaneously, it causes the signature crackling sound.
Have you ever wondered how this trick is done? It's one of those things where you know he can't actually be making the salt disappear, but it's still confusing to look at. Well, it turns out that the simplest explanation is the right one. Look closely at his hand during this shot. Do you notice how he sort of grabs his thumb here? Well, this is because he's using a prop called a Dofi finger. He holds it in his fist like a cup, fills it up with the salt, gets it onto his other thumb, and then grabs it off his thumb back into the first position. Watch it again and see if you can notice.